Hi guys and welcome. My name is Shaha and today I'm gonna solve some linear equations. Actually, I was about to say I'm gonna find the values of x, but then I realized that I do have some questions with b as a variable, not just x's. Anyway, I'm gonna find the unknown variables. So solving linear equations. So the first one, we have 3x take away 9. 3x take away 9 is equal to 18. So we want to find the value of x that's going to satisfy left-hand side and right-hand side as well. So now the first step that we're going to do, we're going to move this negative 9 to the other side, or pretty much we are trying to get rid of negative 9. How are we going to do that? So let's do it like this. Because we have negative 9, in order to have 0, so to get rid of it, so we have to plus 9. But you have to remember, whatever you do on the left-hand side, you have to do on the right-hand side as well. So you're going to go like plus 9. And now we have here, this is gone, and we are left with 3x is equal to 18 plus 9 is 27. So we still have 3x's, but we want the value of 1x. So because we have 3 times x, so what you have here in between 3 and x, something you can't see because it's not written down, but it means multiplication. 3 times x is equal to 27. Now to have 1x, here, I have to divide by 3. So the opposite of multiplication. Pretty much what I'm saying, in order to have 1x, you just have to divide by the number or coefficient that you do have in front of x. If we had negative 3x, we would divide by negative 3x. So again, whatever you do on one side, you do on the other side as well. So divided by 3. And the final answer should be x is equal to 9. Now, when I ask kids, what happened to 3 and 3's, it's like, oh, it's nothing. Oh, it's nothing. So it's really important to know why is nothing, is actually 1, and how we eliminate those numbers. It's pretty much because we have 3 divided by 3 is 1. That's why. So, and I could have here 1x equal to 9, but usually when it's 1x, we don't put number 1 in front of it. So the next one, 3 take away 2x is equal to 11. So the first step is to get rid of number 3 because it's positive. We're going to go plus 3 to both sides. And now 3, it's not plus 3 actually because it's positive. So we have to do what? Yes, you're right. We have to go with take away. So take away 3, take away 3. And because we have 3 take away 3, it's 0. So we are left with negative 2x is equal to 11 take away 3 is 8. Now we have negative 2x. Remember what we said before? We want 1x. And in order to get that, so number divided by itself is going to be 1, isn't it? So negative 2, we have to divide by itself, negative 2, to give us 1. So negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. So therefore, we're going to have x is equal to 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. So that's the one. Okay. So next one. So we have b divided by 14 plus 4 equal to 10. Similar. So this is a little bit repetitive now, but similar, I'm looking just for colors. Plus 4, to eliminate plus 4, we're going to take away 4, both sides. We are left with b divided by 14 this is 0, and equal to 10 divided by 4 is 6. Now we have b divided by 14 is equal to 6. Now, if you remember before, when we had multiplication, we had number multiplied by x, negative 2 times x, 3 times x. So we did the opposite operation, which is division. We divided by 3, we divided by negative 2. Now, we have division, so the opposite would be what? Yes, you are right. Multiplication. So, and we do that to both sides. Now, 14 and 14, 14 divided by 14, oopsies, I don't want to delete like that. 14 divided by 14 is 1, so we are left with b equal to 6 times 14 is 84. So there you go. The next one, x take away 1 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Now, you can do something that we have mentioned before, cross multiplication, etc. But because part C that we just did here, and we talked about when we have division, so what we have to do opposite of division, which is multiplication. So that's what we're going to do in part D as well. So this x take away 1 is divided by 3. So the opposite operation of division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply by 3. And please remember, whatever you do on one side, you have to apply to the other side as well. And let's find yellow. 3 and 3 gone, because 3 divided by 3 is 1. So like I can extend this line. Now you can see 3. Now you can see 3 divided by 3. Okay, so that's gone, and we have x take away 1 is equal to 18. And now we have x take away 1. 1 is getting in, negative 1 is getting in our way. So you're going to go plus 1, plus 1. So this is gone. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So therefore, we are left with x equal to 18 plus 1 is 19. There you go. 2 more. 1/4 plus 3x is equal to 10. 1/4, gonna get rid of that. So negative 1/4, both sides, negative 1/4. So we are left with 3x is equal to 10 take away 1/4 is 39 over 4. Okay, so how to do that easy way or in your head? I'm just going to do here on the side in case you're confused. 10 take away 1/4. So what I do, I convert 10 into a fraction that actually has 4 in denominator. So 40 divided by 4, it's 10, isn't it? Okay, and we all know when we have the same denominator, we just copy denominator and take away numerator. So 40 take away 1 is 39. So you can pretty much do that in your head if you just practice a little bit. Now, what we're going to do, we have 3x, so we need to divide by 3. Now, when I say divide, pretty much it means the same as time by 1/3. That's the same thing. So, and I find it easier when I have fractions to say, times by 1/3. So instead of having, division, etc., etc. So now 3 and 3 gone because it's equal to 1. X is equal to. Now we can simplify this side a little bit here. Okay, 39 and 3. We have 39 in numerator and 3 in denominator. So if you remember, for example, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So same here, what we can do, 39 divided by 3 is 9. So what we're left with, we are left with 9 times 1. I'm just going to copy that again. 9 times 1, 4 times 1, because you left 1 here. It's 9 over 4. That would be answer for that one. And one more, b divided by 1.7 plus 20. Okay, equal to 10. Positive 10, 20, take away 20, both sides. So we are left with 10 take away 20 is negative 10. Now b divided by 1.7, opposite. So division, opposite multiplication, 1.7 times 1.7. So this is gone because it's equal to 1. And then we have b. Okay, I don't want that highlighter. I want actually pen. Therefore, b is equal to negative 17. Beautiful, thank you. And that would be all for this video. Have a beautiful day and talk soon. Thank you. Bye.